The founder of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger and Nigeria, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has expressed his deepest condolences to Hajia Maryam Abacha, the wife of the late General Sani Abacha, over the demise of her son Abdullahi Abacha. Aged 36, Abdullahi Abacha, the second to the last son of the late General Sani Abacha, died peacefully in his sleep at the family's residence in Abuja on Saturday, the 4th of March 2023. Professor Gwarzo, in a condolence message personally signed and issued to newsmen in Kano on Saturday, described Abdullahi's death as a shocking and devastating one. Professor Gwarzo also described the demise of Abdullahi as a shocking one, considering the fact that he died in his youthful age. On behalf of my family, MAAUN conglomerate, I wish to express our deepest condolences to our mother, Hajia Maryam Abacha, and the entire family over the sudden death of Abdullahi, Professor Gwarzo said. While commiserating with the relatives and friends of the deceased, Professor Gwarzo prayed to Almighty Allah to forgive his shortcomings and grant him Jannatul Firdaus. He also prayed to Almighty Allah to give Hajia Maryam and the entire members of the family the emotional strength to bear the huge loss. The deceased had since been buried in accordance with the Islamic rites after the funeral prayer at the National Mosque Abuja on Saturday. May his gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Ameen.